Hi everyone, Ms. York here, and today we're going to learn how to make a super cool pop-up Christmas tree card. This is a card design created by Robert Sabuda, who is an amazing pop-up illustrator, paper engineer. He has a lot of children's books that are nothing but the coolest pop-ups in the world. If you ever get a chance, check him out, Robert Sabuda. And so we're going to create his Christmas tree pop-up. I have a link below for my Stewartsboro friends that need the template. Otherwise, you can always Google pop-up Christmas card and the picture should pop up for you that you can print off at home, okay? You will need to have your Christmas tree template. Some of my friends, you have them in your craft bag. Other friends, you will have to print it off at home, okay? So you'll need this. You'll need the green paper. I suggest, learning from my last trial, that you decorate your Christmas tree before any of this begins. So you color it green, you make your ornaments, you write what you want to write, who you want to write a letter to, and then start the next step that I'm about to show you. So if you need to decorate your Christmas tree, I suggest you pause the video now and then come back, okay? All right, so here's going to be our first step. We are going to cut the outline of our Christmas tree card, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take our scissors and we're going to cut on the lines of our tree. Now my shortcut's kind of fast. You go slow and make sure you're doing it right. Because nobody wants a messed up card. Okay, so here we go. Cut, cut, cut. All right, so now I've cut my Christmas tree. All right, the next step that you're gonna do is you will take your Christmas tree and you wanna fold it on the vertical line and you wanna make sure you can see that vertical line, okay? So I wanna fold it where I can see the line, just like this, until I'm right there on that line. Okay, see how I can see that dotted line? And then I'm gonna take my fingernails, my pinchers, and I'm going to pinch it as best as I can to get it nice and crisp, okay? Once you do that, fold it the other way as well. So we got a good fold on our Christmas tree. All right, the next step that we're gonna do, keep your card folded where you can see the tree. So I can see it. And you have to keep it folded. We're going to cut along these lines where they are solid, okay? Do not cut dotted lines. You'll mess it up. So we're gonna cut on the solid lines, okay? So here we go. Are you ready? You ready? Okay. I kept my paper together. You see, it's not unfolded. And I'm gonna cut those lines. I'm gonna go up with it and then down with it on all of it. So up and then down. Now I'm gonna stop right at the end. I'm not gonna go over and I'm not going to cut the dots. Don't cut the dots. All right, now I'm gonna do the next one. I'm gonna go up with it and down and to the end. Now I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna go up with it and down. I'm following the curve all the way to the end. Up with it and down. And then on this one, it's just one curve. Okay, I kept the paper together. Do you see that? Okay, pause if you need to. I've done this lots of times, so I can go pretty fast with this. All right, our next step is we are going to fold where we see these dotted lines, okay? You actually want to take your piece and fold it where you can see the dotted lines. So like, I can see those lines. Notice I folded it together because my paper is still put together. So I'm gonna fold that way and I'm gonna kind of pinch it down. And then I'm gonna fold the other way. I'll go back and forth with that piece until I feel like it has a really nice crease to it. Back and forth. Okay. Now I'm going to fold the next piece as well on that line, just where you can see it. So right there, use your little pinchers with it. Fold back and forth. Okay. There you go. We got 3 more pieces. We're going to fold the next part of the tree on that line. You see, I'm on that dotted line. I'm going to pinch it down. I'm going to go back and forth. Okay. All right. I got 2 more. I'm going to fold on that dotted line. Always pause this video if you need to. And then I'm going to go back and forth. Whew. 1 more left. On that dotted line. I'm going to go back and forth. Okay. So now I got a tree that has been folded back and forth a whole lot of times. We're going to go ahead and put that back straight. Okay? We're now going to take our green paper and we're going to fold it in half. A lot of you guys say this is hamburger. Just fold it like it's a card or a book. Make sure it also has a really good crease to it. Okay. For the next part, you have to really watch because I don't know the best way to explain it. I can just show it. We are going to open our card up easily. I can see some pieces are stuck. Okay. We're going to open our card up and we're going to take only the dotted line on the tree and we're going to try and push those pieces back. Okay. We want them to go backwards. Okay. So all my little pieces are back and I can actually slide my hand underneath there. Cool, huh? So I can slide my hand underneath there and I'm going to keep my hand there. And as I keep my hand there, I'm going to fold the rest of the card forward. Oh, wait. Wait, picture. How am I doing this? Yeah, I'm going to fold. No, the rest of the card backwards. My bad. See, I told you it'd take some thinking. I'm going to keep my hand there. I'm folding it with the card backwards. And so now my Christmas tree is missing. That's okay. You want it to be missing. Okay? So again, I've pushed these pieces back and then I have folded the card back. I can still see the dotted lines here and here, but that's okay. I folded that card back and the Christmas tree is missing. What we're going to do is we're going to take the missing Christmas tree and we're going to stick it inside of the green card. Okay? So my missing Christmas tree is inside. Notice the missing part does not go outside to the outside edge. The missing Christmas tree goes to the middle of the card. See that? I'm going to close that card. Now I'm going to take my stick glue and on just this part of the card, I'm going to put my stick glue on the pieces I can see. I do not put it where a Christmas tree should be, just the white piece. So let me go ahead and do that now. I'm sticking it to the middle of the card. I got my glue. If you have squeeze glue, you can use that, but be easy with it. If you have tape, you can also use that. So here is my card, covered in glue to the middle of my green paper. And I'm going to close my green paper on that. Okay. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm going to put my glue on there. Okay. Here we go. I got it covered in glue. Maybe a little too much. Apparently I'm one of those kids. I use a lot of glue. And I'm going to close it. And rub it, press on it real hard so we know it's nice and good. All right, if we did it correct, the card is gonna pop out when we open it. If we did it incorrect, we might have to reprint it off and try again. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, I got this. Look. It's a pop-up card. How cool is that? It's a tree. So now you can decorate the front. You can write it to whomever you want. Maybe you want to give it to Nana, Papa, your abuela, your tia, mom, dad, whomever. And you have made your very own super gorgeous pop-up card created by Robert Sabuda. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Bye.